In this section, I'm going to look at how to use the Google Data Highlighter, which is really easy to use. Now you just simply go to the Google Search Console and you'll find the Data Highlighter within there. Now Google do have a video that explains how this works, which is a bit rushed unfortunately, but let's have a quick look anyway.
Hello, my name's Jack, and I'm a Product Management Director here at Google. This is an introduction to Data Highlighter, a new, easy way to tell Google about the structured data on your pages. Google uses structured data to provide better search results snippets, Google Plus snippets, and more. For example, if we know that a page on your site is about an event, we can show details like where the event is and when it is, right in the search results, making it easy for users to discover. You can already tell Google about the structured data on your site by adding microdata markup to your HTML. Data Highlighter is an alternative. It's a point-and-click tool that allows any webmaster to show Google the patterns of structured data on your pages without modifying the pages themselves, making the whole process super easy. To get started, input the URL of a typical page on your website containing structured data. When the page appears in Data Highlighter, highlight the important fields and label them. Google's understanding of the page will be reflected on the right. When you're done marking one page up, Data Highlighter will show you the similar pages from your site with data already highlighted. Review them and correct any errors. Once done, click Publish, and Google will apply these patterns to your entire site, regardless of its size, so Google can start showing off the structured data right there in your snippets. To try Data Highlighter, visit Google Webmaster Tools.
So basically what Jack from Google was showing you there was that if, like on my website, I have regular training events, then if I have a standardized way of naming these, so I can have like name SEO training, date, then the date of the training, and then the location or something like that. What I can do is basically within the Data Highlighter just select the date, select the name of the course, select the location of the course, things like that, right click, and from the drop down menu that's displayed you just tag it as the name of the course, the location, the date, stuff like that, and you just do that for one page, and as Jack said, it'll then apply that information to all the other pages. And even better is each time you go and update your information, it'll automatically update that, and that information will appear in the snippets, which is pretty good. So you do this once, set it up properly, check it's all working, and then you can just forget about it. And once it's in place, all your courses will appear automatically within the search engine results. So here's an example in my case of how it would look. So I've got 3 courses here listed in the actual search results. So I've done a search for something like, I don't know, SEO training or something. And as you can see, all the courses are listed there and the dates and what have you.